minor design flaw. It's going to be kind of hard to take the drives out, but they fit just fine. So now I just need to work on this anchor piece, and then we'll go from there. Now that Mr. Caliper and I have done a little bit of measuring and transposed it, now it's time to get on to here. Coming in nice. Coming in, let's see. Let's see. Locks. Yes, fits with the holes and gives me a nice little cushion here. So we should, I'm off by a little bit. There we go. So we should be good. Cool. On to the next one.